Hello everyone. So the next chapter is theory of equations. So what do you mean by an equation? An equation is the relation between two or more variables. It will equate it with the certain values of the variables. That means if a solution of an equation is a number which is substituted for the unknown quantity makes the two sides equal equation. Okay, for example, I can give here like suppose x minus 2. These are from unknown variables. Okay, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to, the equal side is suppose 4. Find x. That means you are finding the value x. If you know the value x, you can know this, right? So this is nothing but this is called as an equation. Again here there are two types of equations. Okay, linear equation and quadratic equation. What is linear equation? If two or more variables are used in more than one equation, okay, suppose x minus y and y plus 3, suppose like that, okay, and the same values of the variable simultaneously satisfy the equations, then the equations are said to be simultaneous equations. That means linear equations. Suppose if you solve this answer and you're getting the same value on the right hand side, the exact what he said, then that means this is said to be in a linear equation. Now we'll see quadratic equation. The equations that have more than two roots are called as quadratic equations. We will see in further how to solve these equations, quadratic equations as well as linear equations in the next topic. 4 of x minus 9 minus 13 is equal to 2x plus 9. Find x. So just simplify this. 4x minus 4 into 9 is minus 36. This is minus 13 is equal to 2x plus 9. So this will be 4x, this will be 9, 4, minus 49. The higher number is having the negative sign, so we'll take this, okay, minus 49. Minus minus is plus, right? This is equal to 2x plus 9. Now what we do is 4x, taking this 2 to this side, left hand side, this is positive, when it comes here it becomes negative, minus 2x. We'll just keep this 9 over here and we will transfer this 49 here. So minus 49 becomes plus 49. Okay. So this will become 4 minus 2 will be 2x is equal to 49 plus 9 is 58. X is equal to 58 by 2. So you will get 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 9. So x value becomes 29. Okay. So for correction, if you put this 29 value over here, 4 into 29 minus 9 minus 13 is equal to 2 into 29 plus 9. You will get both the answers same. Just for cross verification, just go through this. This is called as linear equations. When you are getting both the values same, this equation is said to be linear equation. Okay. Coming to one more problem over here. So this one. So see, 4 into 5x, 20x plus 4 into 2, 8 minus 3 into 3 is 9x minus 9x, okay, minus 3 plus, into 1 is minus 3 is equal to 5x plus 25. Solve this. 20 minus 9 is 11x, 8 minus 3 is 5 plus 5, okay, the positive, the greater number is having positive sign, is equal to 5x plus 25. Now taking x terms one side and the constant values other side. So 11x comes here. It will become 11x minus 5x. Sorry, I wrote 2 times. Okay, 11 minus 5. Here 25, this 5 is coming to this side. This will become minus 5. So 11 minus 5 is 6x is equal to 20. Right? X is equal to 20 by 6. So this value is around 2 10s are 2 3s are. So this is x value is 10 by 3. It doesn't mean that you should always get like a whole number. You can even get like an a rational number also. I hope this is clear. The next question we will go. Solve for x. A of a minus x is equal to b square minus bx. So just I'm rewriting this. Is equal to b square minus bx. So this one is a square minus ax is equal to b square minus bx. Okay, taking the x terms one side and the constant to other side. B is coming here. This will become a square, I'm keeping this here itself, a square minus b square, x terms are going here, so this will be minus bx is as it is, this is coming that side, so that will become plus. Okay, so a square minus b square is equal to taking x common, and I'm taking this b to the other side. Okay, so you can write a minus b, same thing you will get ax minus bx. Okay, so from this x value will be, see this is in multiplication. Okay, so if you're taking x is equal to, that means it is coming into division, a minus b, a square minus b square, because he told us to find x, right? So x value is this.